Next in CSS, we are going to do skew property, which is used to skew or tilt element to its x-axis and y-axis, or single x-axis or y-axis. It comes under transformation. So this is our basic HTML code, and here within body section we are using paragraph tag and class equals to, here we'll be giving class 1. We'll be creating this class later. Here will be no skew. This is going to our second paragraph. We'll be giving class 2 to it, and here we'll be using skew 20° and 20°. Our third paragraph 3. This is our class, and here we'll be giving skew x, and here I'm giving 20°. And one more paragraph we are creating 4, and here skew y, and here we are using 20°. Save it. Here in this paragraph we haven't used any skew property. Here in class 2, paragraph with class 2, here we are skewing x-axis with 20° and y-axis with 20°. Third paragraph we are skewing not y-axis, we are only skewing x-axis by 20 degrees, and here in paragraph 4 we are skewing only y-axis, not x-axis. So here in head section we are using style tag, and within this style tag I'm creating class 1, and here I'm giving border to 1 pixel solid black. Width of the paragraph is 200 pixel. Height is also I'm giving is 200 pixel. Background I'm choosing color aqua, and here I'm giving float to left. Save it and go live. So this is our first paragraph. Now we are going to do for class 2. So this is our class 2, and here we are giving border to 1 pixel solid black. Width we are giving is 200 pixel. Height is also 200 pixel. Background color we are choosing is aqua, and it is also float left. For third paragraph we have to create class 3. Here we are giving border to 1 pixel solid black. Width to 200 pixel. Height is also I'm giving is 200 pixel. Background color we are choosing is aqua, and float left. And one more class we have to create, that is class 4. Here also border to 1 pixel solid black, width to 200 pixel, height to 200 pixel, background color to aqua, and here we are giving float to left. Save it, and this is how it is looking right now. Now we have to give space in between these boxes. So here we are going to give space, margin left and margin top to increase the top margin. So here in each paragraph I'm giving margin left to no need to give it in first paragraph. We'll start it from second. Margin left we are giving is 50 pixel, and the same way we are giving margin top to 50 pixel. Copy it, save it, and right now it is looking like this. Here for the first paragraph we'll be using margin top, so top to 50 pixel. Save it, and our page is looking like this. Now we are not going to give skew property to this first box. We will start from second box. So we'll go into class 2. We are giving transform skew, and here we have taken for second paragraph 20 degrees and 20 degrees. So here I'm giving 20 degree and 20 degree. So it is going to give angle to both x-axis and y-axis. Angle is 20 degrees angle. Save it, and you can see that box 2 has got the angle of 20 degrees. Now to box 3 we are not going to give angle to y-axis but to x-axis only, that is of 20 degree. So here we are giving transform property skew, and here we are giving skew x, and here we are giving 20 degree. So it is going to give angle only to that 20 degree. So x-axis will be tilted by 20 degree. Now here we are going to give angle to y-axis. So in class 4, transform skew y, and here we are giving 20 degree. Save it, and it has got 20 degrees y. So this was our skew transformation property in CSS.